I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select Klaviyo. Give here API key. So click on Please visit here. Click on Create private API key. Give here API key name. Choose Full Access Key. Create. Copy the private key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now goes to the Klaviyo site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Klaviyo. Thanks for watching.